tell you about failure. Why we scared from failure? How to overcome on failure? Is failure a way to success? How can you change failure into success? Most people fear failure, but failure doesn't prevent success. Actually, you can lead to success as well as we learn from it. Failure is one of the key to success because it teaches us more. Thomas Edison, the greatest inventor of the modern era, he said in his journey to create the electric light bulb, I have not failure, I have found 10,000 way from that goal. There is one failure, no disappointment, no mistake in our past that can stop us from taking a positive word right now. When anyone fail in 12th class, that time mostly students think like this, and now I will not study, I will not try to give exam next time. They start thinking negative. They don't think positive. Anyway, it doesn't make any difference, and now I will do work. I want to say of all such person, first failure is not last destination of your life, but failure is the but failure is first step to make it successful. Friends, successful people make a lot of mistakes and learn from them. Before some days ago, I was meet one of my friend that was fail in 12th class. In recent days, I was starting talking to with him. During discuss, he said me, I don't want to do study, and as of now, I will do work. So that time I said him, you are making a big mistake in their life. This moment you will not able to get again. Don't miss of this opportunity. First failure can't decide your upcoming future. If you talk about interview, being successful in interview depend how well you prepare before the interview. There are many people who even after preparing well fail in the interview. It may be due to lack of practice. Interview can make people nervous. You can try to practice before the interview. You can do self practice by standing in front of mirror and speak about strength and achievement. You can also take a friend help by asking him. We should accept failure because we learn many things from failure. Try again and again to achieve this. We learn from their shortcomings. Try to do best next time. There are many successful people who even after being failed in their life, this has become a successful man in all over the world. That is known as greatest man in all over the world. APJ Abdul Kalam was rejected in the interview pilot, but now that used to known as greatest scientist of India. Amitabh Bachchan say I was rejected for job in All India Radio due to of heavy voice, but still they never give up. That is known as wonderful actor in Bollywood industry. This is not enough. I want to tell you an inspirational story. A man in his childhood fell in his primary school, not one time but two times. Even when he applied for university, he fell in his entrance exam 3 times, not one time. In fact, he applied for Harvard University 10 times. They got rejected. This was only in his during educational career. After his graduation, he applied to get job. One more time, this man got rejected. I am talking about Jack Ma, that is known as co-founder and chief executive officer of Alibaba Group. They never give up in their life. After so much struggle, it all happened. This man never passed in his first attempt in any exam. Friend, remember one thing, winner never quit and quitter never win. I think everybody has a great story. Everybody had a lot of problem. Everybody had a lot of mistake. But very few people listen to you. One day when you become successful, people listen to you. You are great, I am not that great. If someone fail looking for job, that never give up. We learn from mistake. Those people who fail always thinks it's my fault. And we learn a lot from those people who fail. We learn a lot from those people who made mistakes. Friend, if you take failure as a challenge, then definitely you will do something great in your life. Many times I listen everyone ignoring their result, ignoring their fault, and their friends and family members don't make fun of them. Let me clear one thing, if you run from your failure, then failure will chase you. If you will accept your fault and mistake, then working on it, trust me, life will be more easy for you. If you have control over your fault and mistake, then the door of your success will easily open. Friends, successful people is never defeated. but he is not scared from failure. He learned from it. When you face failure, it gives you opportunity to analyze yourself. That where did I go wrong? Did I not work hard? Friends, face failure because we learn many things from this. Never give up in their life. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video.